My country people, and welcome back to my channel today. Anita of the Big Brother Naija no lose guard season. Fans don't come out to come drag her, give her better woto over the way she take backstab her friend wey be say they call Nelly. And also Shaun don't come out come issue serious warning to his fans. So of recent, a particular fashion designer she come out to come do her runway fashion show wey be say different models go come out come waka and all of that to showcase the designs wey be say she just bring out. She invite a lot of people, a lot of Nigerian celebrities, most especially I talk about the Big Brother Naija people. There were so many of them from different seasons where be say come out to come do the modeling work for her. They talk about the likes of Shakes, Dorothy, Tasha, Shaun, Anita, and some other people. But the one where we say can bring a lot of controversy na Shaun own. As we all know, without being sentimental, Shaun na the most hated housemate for this particular season where they just conclude for Big Brother Naija. The particular people where we say they target and the most na Nelly fans. Remember I thought say for inside the Big Brother house, we know so say Nelly and Shaun they get some kind small distance. Shaun don't come out severally to come to say he not like Anita like that because he not know her and all of that. Even when he come out from the Big Brother house for a media rant, he make mention of the girl severally, say he just not get that rapport with Anita. He further explain to say he not get any feelings for Nelly, say he not get any plan of dating Nelly, he just dey hear all those things. So Nelly coming out of the house, hearing the things where Shaun don't talk about her and all of that, she just dey throw unnecessary shade to the guy for some time now. And this fashion waka wey be say the waka wey they do modeling for that particular fashion designer, the girl come out to come drop her 2 cents for Shaun matter. Come out come talk to say don't act like you didn't see the foul work yesterday. Come put plenty laughing emoji. Process come out to come praise her girl wey be Anita because say my girl is working today. Tell your face to go watch and learn because this modeling thing is not for everybody. Come put laughing emoji. She dey throw shades at Shaun. A few hours ago, Shaun celebrated his birthday. Happy birthday to Shaun. We dey wish am many more years and many more plenty money. So Shaun yesterday, a few hours ago, he celebrated his birthday and his fans they really go out of their way for the guy. But before I go into the matter, welcome and drag Anita into the whole thing, I want to give a big shout out to Shaun fans because if we really want to talk, Shaun might be the most, even though he might be the most hated this season, now he still be the most gifted so far. Then followed by Onyeka before Double K. They give the guy 20 million naira, they transfer him for there, gong. This one not be audio money, the way white money and the fans they deceive us that year. So make una just read through the list of the things where be say Odogu fan base where they call Shaun stars do for their fave. This year gifting don't finally turn to competition from what I don't see so far. They know they do them out of too much love anymore. They do them just to prove a point, mumu point. I just hope some people not go say their papa land, sell their children, sell their husband, sell their kidney just because they want prove mumu point saying that their fan base now they richer. Anyway, back to what we dey talk about. So Anita, on the other hand, when Nelly put all those things come out, Anita come out to come draw some kind subtle shade. She come put one foul picture for her Snapchat. So when people come they drag Anita, it's like say, why you go put that kind of thing for your Snapchat, mocking Shaun? She come out to come to say, well, not be Shaun, and they actually mock. Say she just they put normal filter for her for her Snapchat, not be Shaun, na be say she they talk to. Can't even go ahead to go wish Shaun a happy birthday for they do a compilation of birthday wishes from different people from different house. Maybe Onyeka too, she follow talk for the video. Anita go follow talk for the video to wish Shaun a happy birthday. So people come the verse. Nelly fans come the verse say, Anita, you are a betrayer because come to think of it, Nelly na person wey be say they very close to, and you know say Nelly and this boy they not be friends. You know say they not be friends, and yet you go do video to do wish am happy birthday, which means you are a two-faced person. So they can't come for Twitter space yet last night, come they drag the girl. So make I leave on a listening to some of the conversation where we say BB Naija fan have concerning this issue.
space go they do this thing. I was angry at her. I was so pissed at her. If you know, except say that friendship is fake, you will not be angry. Let nobody come and call the pretend.
Big Love, you know this BBN people.
Becky, make them they drag you for one space.
Oh.
Now. Even if I don't request, make I come they listen. Do you get?
Hold on. I go post something, hype you. A person when they drag me. Okay, let me say Nikki they drag me. You can't go meet Nikki. No, happy birthday. Blah 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 blah. More than they touch you for this. It will not work.
These BBN people, I noticed that those people they don't like the truth. And
they don't like the truth.
In as much as me, I don't like Nelly. What she did is bad timing. You can't throw your friend under the bus for what? For BBN fans. Who drag you? I beg. Let's be real.
No, I feel like she will feel bad. Nikki, let's not forget say Nelly is not even supposed to post an Anita because that is her job also. She was throwing Anita to under the bus. Posting her, when they use her shade Shaun. That is not nice. That is her job. Because everybody they hype Anita. Even the Shaun stars said everybody they were hyping her. But you posting her. No now. No. You're not supposed to use her shade a person. Maybe Anita is trying to say, please.
She don't get new friend that makes she concentrate on her new friend.
Oyeka herself wish Shaun happy birthday too now.
But at least they are friend in the house.
Sorry, begin. See.
So wait, those are the only people that wish Shaun happy birthday.
I don't know.
Let me tell you
Nikki. I just feel like maybe Anita just wants to. Maybe Anita fans will like. Remove because that day I was seeing tweet and her fans they were angry that why are you using her for your battle now? Let her this thing. Maybe Anita just wants to stay clean and don't want any wahala. So
the
that's
truth be say me I understand where BB Naija fans they come from. No go lie. Me if I dey very close to person and the person they rapport with my person wey be say I not really like, especially when I see the person as my enemy, I go avoid you because they feel use that person use you take get to me through that person. So you better make I just avoid you. So I understand where BB Naija fans they come from. On the other hand, I still understand the fact say Anita just don't want to inherit anybody beef too because it no go still really make sense if you inherit your friend beef just because your friend talk to this person and all of that. So everybody, every malam with your own carol. I hope Shaun and Nelly will eventually settle their scores because with the way the thing they go, I just see the thing as a forced beef. There's nothing there to quarrel about. So Shaun on the other hand don't come out to come issue serious warning to his fans, telling them say make they stop the instigator against other housemates and all of that. So in conclusion, say do not involve me in any farm beef to do with any housemate. I'm way too blessed and loved for all that rubbish. To my fans, I love you so much. I got something coming for you all. This year, this housemate did not give us tragedy. Instead, all of them dey for love and light. So it go good make the fan bases continue like that. This momo competition wey be say I want push into this Big Brother Naija show, they go arrest a lot of people as with the way things they go. A lot of people will go to jail because at the end of the day, they no fit afford to pay back the debt after they don't collect plenty money, borrow from people just to prove a point saying that they be the richest fan base. I just want everybody will call their quote according to their side. And another thing I want to say, Big Brother Naija fans they try way because I don't notice I say even if the housemates wey they support insult them, do them anything, they still they give to those housemates, they see they stand by them and all of that. So I believe to say Big Brother Naija fans now people will be say they don't change a lot of people's life for this entertainment industry. But it go good make Big Brother Naija fans actually stop the fan war where we say they go on every season. Una take care, una bye.